Hi, this is Cal with WeldingOutfitter.com here talking about the 30A267 from Walter. It's a big buff kit, so not just the tool but the kit. Comes standard in this brown box for shipping. Inside the brown box, you can get it out. This is black case, so pretty handy. You can carry all of your wheels and stuff in this tool. Pop that open. This comes with a lot more. So it comes with an anti-vibration handle. Comes with some polishing paste 017-905. Comes with a lot of accessories which we'll have listed here on the page. But Blendex pad, and Duraflex 2-in-1 flap wheel. I believe this is a quick step. I think this is a softer one. More coarse quick step. And then these are the quick step flexes. So this is quick step flex 60 grit. And then 120 grit. And just a 60 grit pad. This is the QS interface pad. So this is a 07Q045 and a 180 grit step. Blendex fine. Same thing, Blendex fine. And then some medium Blendexes. So, the other thing it does come with is the other paste, 017-901. So you will want to make sure you check what metal the paste you need for and what type of finish you're going for. There are different things. So the 07T, it has a high gloss finish, and it's for felt disc or buffing drums. What this is for. And the 901, remove stains and scratches, and then you can still use this with felt disc or buffing drums. So just make sure you're using the right one depending on the metal. Last thing is the tool. So this is the tool on there. Take the anti-vibration handle. It's got holes on both sides depending on your dominant hand. Screw that on there. So this is 120 volt, 12.4 amps. One of the cool things about these Walters is they have Dynamax, is what they call it. So A through G, 2000 RPM to 7300. So you set it on A, it's 2000 RPMs constant, even under load. You set it on G, it's 7300, and then they got a bunch of settings in between on there. So that's what that looks like with the power cord and the trigger switch here. Last thing that this comes with is this. Two locking nuts here. And it is a 5/8 11 arbor on there. And the user guide. So this is the 30A267. This is the actual kit, so it does come with a little bit more. We will have all the accessories listed on the page for this. If you got the accessories and you just need the tool, then it's a 30A265. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for stopping by and have a great day.